So many people are earning from $10,000 to $30,000 or even more per month just by doing affiliate marketing from Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to tell you step by step on how to start Pinterest affiliate marketing. So make sure not to miss out any part of the video, as this is the only tutorial you need to start Pinterest affiliate marketing from scratch. So let's dive in. This Pinterest account has only 5 followers but 109k monthly views. You don't need millions of followers to make your pins viral. You can start this as a beginner and make your first $1,000. Now before making viral pins, we need to figure out our niche, and for this just go to trends.pinterest.com. And here you need to search a keyword you really have interest in. For example, you can search a keyword like home decor, and here you see different keywords, and on right hand side this is the chart going to show you how viral that keyword is and is it trending on Pinterest. Let me tell you, home related things are really very viral on Pinterest. Over the time, this is one of the most searched and trending niche on Pinterest. This is the niche what I really enjoy. In very less effort, you can make millions of dollars. There are so many keywords and I'm going with this one. As you can see in past few years, how much this keyword is booming. I will keep searching for some more keywords. For example, health and fitness. And here again there are so many words, but I'm going with this one. And as you can see, this niche is also doing pretty well. Now just to ensure that these keywords are really trending, I'm going to Pinterest and search for the same. First of all, I'm searching for home decor. And here you can see the viral pins related to this term. Now this pin is made by the account EMO, which have 1.6k followers, and this account is getting 5.9 monthly views, which is amazing. Now I'll be searching for health and fitness. And here are the viral pins. I'm going to open one of them. See, this account is having 22.5k followers and 10 million plus monthly views. Now I have decided to go with the home decor one, as I really enjoy this niche and this is evergreen niche, and also there are so many people engaged with this particular niche on Pinterest. That means the demand is very high. The percentage of gender who is watching Pinterest is 76.2% of women, 17.2% of men, and 6.6% are unspecified. So I guess I have selected the right niche, as women are the ones who love to decorate their homes. Pinterest have 498 million monthly users. So again, I have choose the right platform for affiliate marketing. And a lot of people are doing affiliate marketing from Pinterest and earning thousands of dollars monthly. Also, let me tell you, 90.1 billion of active Pinterest users are from USA. It is the very popular app in USA. Now when we are done with niche, we have to make a logo and banner for our page. For this, I'm using the tool Canva, which is free app and easy to use. Open Canva and search for banner. You will see a lot of banners open up for you. Select one banner like this. You can customize it. I'm changing the name to Home Aesthetics, as this is going to be my page name. You can fully customize it the way I do. You can change the picture of your choice. Similarly, you can customize your logo for your page in seconds. And this is how my logo looks like. Now for this home decor niche, you don't have to put a lot of effort. I will tell you how simply you can create viral pins. In starting, create pins like this. Go to Canva, then click on templates and then search for Pinterest pin. See, there are so many pins for you. Choose one to customize it. I am going with this one. It will be easier for me as it is related to home. Now fully customize it. You can change the font, this background, this picture, and even these text. I am removing this link because currently I don't have search to put it here. And I am not writing any blogs, so I am removing this read more as well. Now simply I am just downloading this design only to put it on my account. I am not going to waste my time in these 2-3 pins. Make 2-3 pins like this. It will help viewers to understand more about decor. And then after this, simply apply for some affiliate programs. I will tell you some affiliate programs which are related to home decor and you can easily earn money as affiliate from here. And these are Wayfair, Pier 1, Etsy, Walmart, Amazon affiliate program and many more. But listen, don't attach the affiliate link directly to your pins. It will ban your Pinterest account and all your hard work will go in vain. Now after making 2-3 pins, you just have to upload product photos like other accounts are doing as well. Just upload product picture and make a landing page for your affiliate link. And put that link of landing page on your pins like this. You can create landing page from websites like Swipe Pages, Salesforce, etc. Create landing page and put your affiliate link there. This will save your account forever. As Wayfair and some other brands does not allow to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Now before uploading the pin, add the banner and logo you just made. Change the name like the way I do. Add description from ChatGPT. And yeah, change your account to business account to increase the reach. I have done it already. Now upload your pins. Add the title and description to your pin. And here you can add the link of your landing page so that whenever customer clicks on your pin, they will directly go to your landing page and click on your affiliate link there and ended up buying. Now I simply upload my pin. So this is how you can create viral pins and earn millions of dollars like others are doing. Now I'm not that stupid who will just sit idle and not make money through this strategy. So what are you waiting for? Go and earn. Bye everyone.